Hi. I wanted to try a video on my iPhone and see how that works. I think this is a really good table for some fun sounds. So I thought I would give that a shot. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you had a good day, depending on when you're watching this. It's funny how crazy the angle is. It's funny, one of the things that I would hear some of the ASM artists talk about is that your fingers get tired. And it doesn't seem like it would be that tiring, but I feel like a big baby because my fingers definitely get tired. It's like right here, there's like a tendon or something right here, something on that side that gets tired. I haven't done anything this kind of stuff yet. I don't know what the rules are, what the etiquette of the ASMR world is, but I don't know. I want to say, again, my favorite artists are Corey ASMR and Patty ASMR. So I feel like anything I am doing is probably inspired by them because it's probably something I've seen them do. So I don't know what the rules are or if I'm supposed to say that. I was wanting to do this video on my phone and see how it goes. I might have a cat intruder soon. But it's funny because I was thinking it would be oh, yep, here we go. Hi, buddy. I was thinking that it would be a lo-fi video, but really all my videos are lo-fi right now. I definitely need to look into lighting stuff. I don't know. I need to figure out a good lighting. He's like, what are you doing? There's some strawberries. You can't eat that. Some strawberries that I was snacking on earlier. No. But yeah, I've been thinking for a while that no, you stay there, my dog. Oh my god, I forgot to close the door. His little click-clacky nails. I thought for a while that this table would be good for some ASMR sounds. It's so funny, I remember the first time I heard of ASMR, I thought it was so bizarre. I didn't get it. But it was, I don't know, I think it was not until 2020 that I really got introduced to all kinds of stuff and all the different types of triggers. and types of things that people do. And I was like, oh, there's a whole world. It's not just like mukbang stuff. Is that how you pronounce that? His name is Fred. Fred is very concerned and confused, intermingled with trying to eat my strawberries. No, that's not for you. Okay, no. I did a terrible job. There's animals everywhere. I work in animal welfare, by the way. So, there's a surplus of animals. At all times. Okay, good job, buddy. Good job. I thought I wanted to do some stuff with this thing. This is a little portable Bluetooth keyboard. Also appealing to Fred. I thought it would make good sounds, but it's very functional. I didn't know how well it would work. It actually works pretty well. The typing isn't ideal, but it does work pretty well. It's very, very convenient. I'll hook it up to my phone sometimes if I'm like, I don't know, texting a lot. Or sometimes I will use it. I will actually hook it up to my iPad and write properly. But I thought it might make some nice sounds. I'm not editing at all when I'm recording on the like camera app on my computer. But I am using like a proper, no, it says way too full for me to, this is way too full to tap on right now. But I am using like a proper microphone when I'm recording on my computer, so this isn't as good of a microphone, but I have a lot of editing stuff with my phone, so, which I guess I could do if I like sent myself a file off of my computer. I've just been kind of exploring and messing around, so I haven't really done any of that, but I guess I could send myself a file and edit a little bit on my phone. I need to get a new phone though. This phone is running out of storage. And it is pretty consistently reminding me that I'm running out of storage. I really don't know. I'm not sure how this will sound. I'm hoping my AirPods will pick up enough sounds. Let's see. Oh, I did this. Sorry. I feel like that was kind of loud. I really liked the paper sounds when I did that the other day. Oh, I hope that's picking up. I tried making some shorts today. We're just gonna experiment and play around with everything. I tried making some shorts because I've also thought for a while that cat grooming. The sounds of the cat, the brush on their coat might be nice for some people. I don't know anything about the science of ASMR, but I am very curious about like why certain sounds are so appealing. Why certain sounds are so appealing. I wanted to clean the camera and I accidentally stopped recording. And I was saying it's a different angle now, but you know what? It's okay. We're just gonna mess around and see how we feel. What I was saying was I'm curious about the science of why my phone is not having it. I gotta get a new phone. It keeps telling me there's no storage, so we're gonna end it before it just dies on me again. But I am excited to see how this sounds, and let me know if you like it, and I'll keep experimenting and getting better at this for y'all. Oh, I should not have clapped. Thanks for watching.